Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I've got interesting gist for you today. Dorathy finally reveals why she dislikes Nengi. Bbnaija housemate Dorathy has revealed why she dislikes fellow housemate Nengi. Also seems to be in a fix between both housemates as he is close friends with Dorathy and has feelings for Nengi. However, Dorathy feels he is putting her in an entanglement and needs to define what he wants in the house. This is especially after he picked her as deputy of the house but still went ahead to apologize to Nengi for not choosing her. She however told him that she does not hate Nengi but dislike her strategy in the show. According to her, Nengi is trying to use Ozo to play the game and she does not like it. Dora said, "I'm just your friend and I'll look out for you and wouldn't let Nengi mess with you. But define whatever you have with Nengi and don't put me in the middle. I don't hate Nengi, but I just dislike her game and how she's trying to use you. That's the reason I'm keeping my distance." Okay guys, for those of you who don't know, Dorathy finally reveals why she doesn't like Nengi. What's your take on this? Please leave a thought in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.